I've got a great tip for making your sweet potato go further on your plate by mixing it with Cavolo Nero and cutting it into really fine slices. My name is Dominique Ludwig and I'm a nutritionist. Now you can use any food processor, but I'm using the Thermomix, which has a new slicer attachment, which is very exciting because it's not had one until now. This is a special attachment that you can buy that fits inside your Thermomix. Otherwise you can use any food processor to do this. So you literally just drop the potato in and slice. And the result is really finely sliced sweet potato. Look, it makes wafer thin slices, so a little goes a long way. Love this. Which I'm going to cook in a pan with a little bit of olive oil and Cavolo Nero. So you take the stems off the Cavolo Nero, like this. So what I do is I cook the potato up in a little bit of vegetable stock and some olive oil until it starts to soften, and then add in the Cavolo Nero. I'll show you what it looks like at the end. It makes masses of vegetables and will easily serve 4 people.